Hi, Victoria Costa here, CEO and founder of Credit Fix Solutions. And do I have a great success story for you today? Client came to us with a payday lender default on his credit report back from 2021. Now, at the time, the poor thing, he really suffered from financial hardship. Many of us do. You know, people that have defaults aren't bad people, they're just going through bad situations and tough times. And he didn't realize that the payments weren't being made, and he wasn't receiving any of his default warning notices from the provider either. So moving forward, he's now in a great position. He'd like to buy his first home, but he couldn't because his score was sitting at 49. Now, for those of you who don't understand credit scores, scores go from 0 being the worst to 1200 being the best, and I'm indicating to a Equifax credit score. Elian also have credit scores, and you also have an Experian credit report as well. But his Equifax score was currently sitting at 49, and there was no way that his finance broker could get him the home loan that he needed to move forward with his wealth creation journey. So he came on board with us. He had the default on there, since 2021. So it was not due to come off until 2026. So a long time for him to wait to actually get into the property market. It's like sort of 3 years away. Within a few weeks, we removed the default. We found legal grounds to remove the default. Fantastic news was his score went from 49 to 542. So great result. He was able to go and purchase his home, and that is client ID 5817 for the record. So thanks for listening. I hope that explains a little bit more about credit repair and credit fix solutions and what we can do here to help you move forward with your wealth creation journey as well. Thanks for watching.